Yeah.
We'll go out the front because I don't want to scare the dog.
I was about to change my shorts.
He's down. Alright, see you guys later.
Thank you.
Come in, I was gonna have a talk on my neck.
How long until the first neighbor comes over? What happened? What's going on?
No, let's take a picture.
I am for morning.
I guess I'll turn off the fire.
He gets to sit in the back.
That's so
He
cute.
gets to drive.
No, they're driving. What is he doing?
He's driving the back end, I guess, so that it follows the front of the truck.
And then let's do it continue. It's like a bus.
It's got a lot more bells and whistles than a bus, though.
And it has a hose and a ladder. And it's way.
It's got to get through the court. Oh no!
Whoa.
Wasn't that cool how he got out of there?
Yeah.
And the guy in the back is steering.
Bye bye.
So why did we have the fire department here, Simone?
I forgot what it was called.
A
Carbon
gas
dioxide.
leak. Carbon monoxide we had. Come here.
I want my
So what-
cookies.
When did we get that carbon monoxide alarm?
Last night,
About what time?
3 a.m.
3 a.m. Where did we go?
to our car.
And where did we sleep?
In the car.
In the car. Fire department came out this morning. And
And
you
now
got to meet
PG&E is
them.
coming.
Yeah, but we got to keep it safe, right?
Yeah.
So if you ever hear a carbon monoxide alarm again, what do?
Just fall asleep and ignore it.
No, silly, that's what you did. Good thing your mommy and daddy were here.
Well, sorry, you were just interrupting. Bye.